Tip Party is an open source app that allows you to reward a group of people all at once with tokens using a simple interface. Say you want to show your team some love for participating in an important meeting, or send tips to your group for organizing an amazing conference. It's easy to do on Tip Party. Go to tip.party and hit Launch App. Now connect your wallet and select your network. Give your room a name and select Create Room. Now grab the URL of your room here and send it to all your people. They'll connect and sign in. When you see them start shuffling into your room, they'll show up on your pay list. You can even manually add guests by selecting Import Address. If there's someone that shouldn't be there, just hit the X right next to their name. Finally, choose the token you want to use. We'll use GTC here. Enter the total amount you want to fund the room with. Don't be stingy. And hit Approve. Then distribute the token. And you get confetti. You can check your transactions in the Payouts tab. So reward your team or event participants in one simple interface on Tip Party.